Sixth graders, this is to help you with number 2 on CR 25 version B. It says, given that x is 2, what is 4 times x times the quantity x plus 3? So it's important you realize when you see 4 and then x, that means 4 times x. Then when you see a set of parentheses, that also means multiplication. So times, and then within parentheses you have x plus 3. This is not a multiplication symbol. Now you can see these are actually x's. So we're just going to take 2 and substitute that in place of each x. So that means 4 times 2 times, within parentheses, 2 plus 3. Now we're going to follow our order of operations. Step 1 is to always work within parentheses first. That means we need to get a single value within parentheses before we move on. So I still have 4 times 2 times within parentheses, and I know Mr. Can't think of his name. One of the 6th grade teachers has you box in what you are doing. Anderson, Mr. Anderson has you box in what you are doing. So if you work within parentheses first, you should box in this 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. And we still have that parentheses. All that parentheses is doing is reminding us that we have a multiplication now here. We got to a single value. So then step 2 would be if you had any exponents, but guess what? We have no exponents. Step 3 is to multiply or divide, and we'll do that left to right. Okay, again, Mr. Anderson would say, okay, you have to multiply or divide left to right. So he'd have you multiplying these two first, and he'd have you box that in. 4 times 2 is 8. We still have 8 times 5. You can keep that 5 in parentheses. There's no need to. So now, again, we've got multiplication left to right. 8 times 5 is 40. Following our order of operations. Had there been any addition outside that set of parentheses or subtraction, last step, you would add or, let me write the word or, because some kids think addition comes before subtraction. It does not. Or subtract left to right. Hope that helps.